YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Fun little donuts right there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the edit. I don't have tires yet for my CELICA GTS, so I thought you guys would enjoy a little bit MR-2 ripping around. I love this car. I do need to fix a little thing on the MR-2, which I'm going to be doing soon, but hey, I got all these cool cars and I feel like I don't drive them enough, so we're gonna just go rip it a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed those sounds. This is a 2zz-GE or GTE. It's a turboed. Has a Batmo wheeled turbo on it from TURBOKITS.com, and then it's a black label turbo kit on there. It runs on an Apexi Commander, so Apexi PFC with the year like 2000 to 2002 ECUs for 2zz, and then it has a Commander, and then it has a monkey wrench adapter to it, and then it also shoots methanol. So when it starts spooling, methanol starts shooting into the intake manifold or the intake charge pipe to cool it down. But it just amazing. I was sitting when it's at a stop, I'll rev it all the way to like 8,000, 9,000 RPMs. But when I'm driving it, I tune it back a little bit, and it only revs to like 7,200 RPMs. Reason why is lift isn't really, lift engages, but it's really choppy. It needs a tune on it. But it's really fun. Little knock, it doesn't really knock that much. It's been really fun. I love this car, I've been driving it a lot. This is kind of my daily right now. But I thought I'd show you guys some of the fun, how crazy this build is. I've had this car forever. This is probably one of the most extreme builds I've ever done for owning it for so long. I've done everything in and out of this car, and right now it looks like show quality. Absolutely love the car. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, and I thought I'd share you that perfect 2zz-GE-Turbo. So I hope you guys enjoy that. If you want to build one of these, it's worth it. Every penny's worth it. Do it. Great setup. Really enjoy it. Make sure to hit the like button, guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.